Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In this video, I will show you how to import bookmarks into the Brave browser on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are moving from another browser like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, Opera or Vivaldi, Brave makes it easy to import your bookmarks and other browsing data. So let's get started. First open Brave browser, then click on the three-line menu in the upper right corner and scroll down and then select Settings in the drop-down menu. In the left pane, click on the Get Started. On the right, under Get Started, you will find Import Bookmarks and Settings. Click on this. From the drop-down menu, choose the browser from which you want to import bookmarks. You can check or uncheck browsing history, bookmarks, extensions, etc. depending on the browser you have selected. After that, click on the import button. Wait for a few moments while Brave imports your data. Once the import is complete, you can close this one window. To verify that your bookmarks have been imported successfully, press Ctrl plus Shift plus B to show the bookmarks bar. In case it is hidden, your bookmarks are now available in the Brave browser. If you have already exported your bookmarks as an HTML file, then you need to click on this one triple line menu and hover mouse over bookmarks and lists. After that, click on the Open Bookmark Manager. You can also press Ctrl plus Shift plus O to open it directly. Next, click on the triple dot menu in the upper right corner and select here Import Bookmarks. Now browse your bookmarks HTML file, select it and then click Open. Brave will instantly import all the bookmarks from that file, and you will see under Imported Bookmarks bar, here you can see all the imported bookmarks file. You can drag it to the bookmark bar to show it. In case you want to remove some of the bookmarks, right click on the bookmark and select here Delete option. That particular bookmark will be removed from the bookmark bar. That's all about this video. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more Windows and browser tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.